ください。ゆりかもめは自動運転中です。発車の際にはドアが自動で閉まります。
Hey, what's up guys? Kevin TCG here, and today is part 2 of finding Pokemon cards in Japan. We're going to Akihabara. You shouldn't go there to find Pokemon cards. It's pretty expensive, but there's some pretty good deals around. Let's go!
Aye.
That's a fun intro. I just had the biggest bowl of curry in my life, and now we're gonna go look at some cards. Let's go. No, we've been in this one. It didn't have much. Let's go card off. Oh, card. Yeah, actually. Alright, this time. Got 300.
There we go.
Alright, this one's the 300 one?
Yeah.
Let me do 1,000. Okay. $1,000. Is it 1,000?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so. Alright, I think this is 300. If it's not, I guess we'll know. See if it was worth it.
Oh.
We got Zapdos EX and Zero Aura. Or no? Yeah? Is it? Cool. That is, I guess that's $3. And then this one's the $10 one. The chance at whatever, alt art, secret rare cards and whatnot. And I got 2 unknowns. Now let that be a warning to you. Maybe avoid those machines.
Oh.
So I did make my start here on YouTube through vending machine content. Technically, that's like my biggest video on this channel so far. So naturally, we had to do vending machines again. Let's find some more cards that are not vending machines.
Like straight?
$10, and you can potentially win any one of these items.
That's crazy. Is this a creep?
Yeah, it's a crepe vending machine.
It's crazy.
Got Raging Surf from the shop behind me. We're gonna go ahead and stop by a cafe and find some more cards. There's a place in mind. We stopped by a couple days ago, and we're gonna go back to see if they still have this special box of cards. This was just under 7,300 yen. That's like 60-ish dollars. The going rate for yen to US dollars. It's pretty good. For a booster box, it's pretty good. Currently in Ikebukuro. I'm gonna go back for those cards I saw on that one day.
Card you saw?
That one.
Why do I not remember it?
Okay, I got 2 boxes. I actually still don't know what's in these 2.
Did he waste his money?
Did I waste my money? It was about $170 or no, 1,700 yen ish, and that's probably
1,700 yen. Wouldn't that be $17?
oh
17,000 yen.
17,000 yen,
There you go.
which is probably about 140. So I guess we'll crack them open later and find out. All right, now we're headed to Osaka, to Universal Studios and Nintendo Land to hopefully see they have Pokemon cards and, you know, obviously check out the theme park and attractions there. We're gonna take a bullet train that takes about 2 hours from Tokyo to Osaka. So let's get going. And what I find super interesting is when we enter Universal Studios before the entrance gate. This looks so much similar to the one in LA if you've ever been. So I wasn't too shell-shocked. So let's go ahead and see what they got. Looks like they got a little cafe.
Yeah.
We don't have time though.
We'll come back.
We'll come back. We have to explore the Minions exhibit, right?
I'm done. I was gonna cry.
Child!
Right.
Oh, they're all sold out.
Oh no! They really just throw you into the Pokemon.
There it is. And the Nintendo store. Coral and I got 2 Pokemon cards each at the local convenience store right next to our hotel. We didn't know they sold Pokemon cards, and they surprisingly had a booster box out of these, Raging Surf, and we grabbed 2 of them. So we're gonna open these off camera and we'll report back later. All right, so we opened the packs. We got a holo rare Aegislash and an illustration rare Aegislash. Aegislash. Felt like I was slurring that. Super cool cards. We got a ton of bulk. More for the collection. That one, yeah, there you go. Oh no. Coral bought us more packs at the convenience store. I didn't realize they had packs there, so we're gonna go ahead and open these up off camera again, and we'll show you the pulls. Okay, so I pulled a Hoopa. Very shiny, very cool. Another Mantine, or Mantike. And then we got another Aegislash, and then Coral pulled a really cool Groudon. Good work. Okie doke, so I also got a couple more things, like the Detective Pikachu promo, a couple card sleeves, some loose booster packs, and some playmats, which I'll show off in a bit. Now, what's really interesting about the Detective Pikachu game is I didn't know it came out when I was in Japan, and I wasn't planning on picking it up if it wasn't for that promo card. So it was like $40 US dollars, so I said, you know, why not? Let's go ahead and get it. So this is the first playmat I got at a secondhand shop. It was sealed, and it was 50,000 yen-ish, so it was about $40, which is $10 more than you would normally pay for a playmat at the Pokemon Center like this. It's movie themed, it's like spy themed with Inteleon and Greninja, Sylveon and Gengar, and as well as this Hisuian playmat, which is also at the Pokemon Center for like $30 or 30,000 yen.
or 3,000 yen, sorry. Really cool designs, and I'm getting more inspired to play the competitive Pokemon game more and more. So let's go ahead and open these 2 boxes I picked up at one of the shops in Ikebukuro.
All right, we're gonna open these up. I don't know if I'm gonna keep one of them sealed or not. This will be a real-time decision if I keep them sealed, or one of them sealed. Definitely gonna open one of them up. So they each come with one magnetic stand, a card binder that says card filler, so I assume that's a card binder, card sleeves, and 4 packs of V-Star Universe. Now I paid about 75,000 yen. It's about 60-ish US dollars. Was it worth it? I don't even know what the MSRP or retail is. If you look here, at least here in America, if you look on eBay or sites that sell these boxes, these special collection boxes, they're retailing for like 80 bucks. So I definitely got this at a discount buying it in Japan. This is the Atamon box, the Diamond Clan. Super cool. So excited. And I think I'm gonna open this one up. I know some people are probably wincing. It's like, oh, the potential to keep it sealed and resell for value or something of the matter. I'm like, no. They're Pokemon cards. They're meant to be open. Okay. I got the shell. I'm definitely gonna recase this box afterwards. Ooh, that is very nice too. I mean, same design, but it's on the box. Wow. Never been more excited for cardboard. Go ahead and flip this open. Reveal the contents. There it is. Oh wow, very premium looking. And it's taped here. Let's take a look at these. Here's the card sleeves. Oh man, I'm probably gonna use these if I ever get into the competitive scene, which I will with the new League Battle deck coming. Oh man! What a cool design! The Leafeon. Okay, that's pretty dope. V-Star Universe. I've opened these up off camera with my dad before. That's where I pulled the Irida. And here's, looks like at the bottom here, the screws for the magnetic. I guess it's not magnetic, it's just a regular clasp or screw thing. And the rest of it, it's just cardboard. Super nice box though. Oh, wait a minute. The rest of it, oh, I mean, I forgot about the binder that came with it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Nice hardcover binder. 4-pocket it looks like. Okay, I'm definitely gonna use this for my Japanese cards. I don't have a place to store my Japanese cards, I just put them in a collection box. I don't try to mix it with my English cards, so this is perfect. Shout out to my friends, Micah and Sarah. They dropped off a late birthday gift for me, and I pulled this Chestnut V card. I don't have it, surprisingly. A lot of V cards, but not Chestnut V. So let's get to the main attraction here, the V-Star Universe. Okay. Now, what I was hoping for, there's some similar boxes like this, where, I believe it's the Evolutions one, where it has a booster box inside of there. I thought that was going to be the case, but when I got the box, I was like, oh, there's only 4 packs, which is fine, but you know. Oh. I think I got a God pack.
Really? Oh shoot.
You got Riolu,
Oh shoot.
Mareep, Poochyena, Paris. I think I have the whole line. Turtwig, Pikachu, Bidoof, Duskull, Swablu, and Samurott. Oh my goodness!
Wow. That's
Wow. So V-Star Universe, it's very well known, you can pull God packs in it, and I just pulled it. Wow, that's super cool. How how does it laid out? Like, you can form a tree. There's like a whole image you can form. Oh. I guess I'll figure that out later. Wow, okay. And Samurott. I'll just, oh my goodness. Well, I'm glad I pulled that God Pack and I could just put that straight in my Japanese binder. How many are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I might put that on my regular 9-pocket binder. Wow. Okay. Okay. Sarah and Micah also asked me, let us know your polls. So shortly after this recording's done, I'm going to send them a photo saying, I got a God Pack. My goodness. Alright, we got Nickit. Latios. Yep. Rateos. Punkaboo. Roxy. Choice Band, I think. Cricketune. Oh, Simisear. And Torterra. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on. I got some holos. Okay. I'm clearly out of touch on what's in V-Star Universe. This is like a reverse holo foil on here. Very sparkly on the Regice. Wow, this box is already giving me some gold. I have seen booster boxes of V-Star Universe in Japan, in Tokyo, and I thought about buying some, but I'm not too into the Japanese cards. I've been collecting English ones. Of course, I do have Japanese cards in my collection, but you know, I'm not too interested. Oricorio! Rayquaza? Oh my goodness. I'm getting more. These packs just keep on giving. I see why, and I now see why people are reselling V-Star Universe. Wow. Okay. Last pack magic, I guess. I don't really need it. I'm pretty satisfied with all the pulls. Wow. First I pull a God Pack in 151. Oh, spoiler alert. And then, if you haven't watched my previous video, and then next thing I know, I pull these stuff. That's so crazy. Alright, oh! Okay. Got Samurott, Lucario, Charjabug, and, ooh! Another reverse holo energy. Kind of sparkly. There we go. Wow, okay. That's all the packs. I think I'm gonna open the other one. Let's do a quick review. Boom, 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 boom. My goodness. Okay. Adamon, you rock, dude. Let's do it. Kanto Carp, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I almost kept something sealed. But the collector in me said, you know what? No. You almost got me though. Your influence almost got me. I'll keep watching your sealed content videos. They're great. Keep up the great work. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Oh, what a cute design. Maybe I should put my Irida card in here. I do have one. Am I pronouncing your name right? Am I missing a vowel? I feel like I am. Iridia? I don't know. Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay. More so excited about these cards. Let's get to cracking. So a couple of the card shops I went to card shops in Akihabara, obviously. And I didn't film a lot of places in stores because I want to respect their no recording policy. They have lots of cool product in there. Oh, another Oricorio. And another Simisear. Wait a minute. Trade binder or Quarrel. Might give it to her. Probably will give it to her. There's so many cool cards. I really wasn't looking for singles. It's more so looking for like collection boxes like these that I could bring home and open up. There wasn't really a ton, and the ones that were there were like over $300, but they're super cool. And it took everything in my power not to buy it because, oh, Lunatone and Lucario. I have this, the English one. This is the Crown Zenith English promo. Keldeo and Articuno. It's just, they have like mystery boxes over there. Lots of booster boxes. And man, if I was collecting Japanese cards, I would have been in heaven. And I would have spent most of my Japan budget on Pokemon cards. But I didn't. I think I spent not a huge amount on cards. Because most of the cards I bought, not most, a lot of the cards I bought were from my friends. Professor Rowan! That's not Bidoof, that's Bibarrel. Bidaru. Oh! This is a reverse holo. Love that pattern. That's cool. Okay. I'm getting like hits every pack. Loving this. This is definitely worth the pickup. Very happy I decided to get these. Alright, last pack magic. No God pack. I got one God pack and I'm okay with that. And a Raikou, Lucario, Mew, and Electra. Nice. Alright, let's review the pulls on this one. Got Raikou, Katarine, Professor Rowan, Lunatone, Lucario, and Oricorio, Simisear, and as well as Samurott, Oricorio, Rayquaza, Simisear, Samurott again, Poochyena, Altaria, Riolu, Mareep, Duskull, Paris, Turtwig, Pikachu, and Bidoof. Okay. I didn't count how many there were, so let me redo that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 cards out of the 8 packs I had. I'm very glad I opened these. Wow. Okay, camera wipe. My first time opening this little bag of cards.
So for this portion of the video, I'll be opening these 5 booster packs of Raging Surf, as well as this little Jolteon sticker I picked up. Pretty cool. Okay, so back to the booster packs. We're gonna do a little bit of ASMR real quick.
Oh!
So I got this pretty cool Gimmighoul, and I didn't know, apparently there's a top half to it too, with the Goldengo. As well as I got a, what's it, Holo Zamazenta, and a EX of Bombardier. And then I get nothing in this pack, and then to cap it all off, I get a Terra-type Grass Frostlass. And then for the rest of this video, enjoy some ASMR. It's hard to tell. I got 12 poles. And that about wraps up the card opening portion of this video. I had so much fun in Japan. I went to Tokyo, Yokohama, Osaka, and all of the little wards and districts in between here and there. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and let me know, what was your favorite part of the video? What would you like to see next time if I ever go to Japan again? And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. It really helps the channel out. So with that being said, my name is KevinTCG, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.